The HC-05 Bluetooth module with TTL output is a versatile and cost-effective solution for establishing wireless communication between devices. This module is commonly used in a range of applications, from simple DIY projects to more complex industrial settings. The HC-05 Bluetooth module operates on the 2.4 GHz ISM frequency band and utilizes a TTL, transistor-transistor logic, interface for communication. It can act as either a slave or a master, making it adaptable to different networking configurations. Once paired with another Bluetooth device, data can be wirelessly transmitted and received via the serial port, thus enabling a cable-free environment. The HC-05 Bluetooth module with TTL output is a compact electronic module that provides Bluetooth connectivity with TTL-level serial communication. It allows microcontroller S and other devices to establish wireless Bluetooth connections for data exchange and control. This module simplifies the integration of Bluetooth functionality into projects like robotics, home automation, and remote monitoring, making it a valuable tool for wireless communication and control applications.